This is video 1 of the Pirana installation. This here is the system that we're going to be putting it in. We're going to dig up the septic tank and clean off the top in order to put a riser inside. We're going to run an air line on the short shallow trench right underneath that deck, where we will have the air pump set up right here. We've dug up the tank and cleaned it off with a wire brush. We're now going to install the riser over the inlet chamber. We are putting down some wet patch roof cement along the top of the opening to the tank, which will help protect and seal when we put this squared around adapter to cover the tank. The squared around adapter has been installed over the tank. We are now going to install the actual riser. Okay, we have put some epoxy around the outer edge of the squared around adapter, and we will now put the riser lid down and give it a small twist to help lock it in. Perfect. Okay, the next step was to dig the trench for the airline, and we have done so. We're going to have to 90 it a couple of times to get through and under the deck, but it will meet up right through there, and we'll have the air pump sitting right here. Okay, now the air line has been installed. The trench was dug. As you can see, we ran it through here. We came to a little spot where we had to go under some of our landscaping. Put a 90-degree, goes up under the deck, and comes out right here where we will connect the air pump. In order to get a piece of 1/2-inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe to go through the riser, you need to drill a hole that's 1/15 in diameter. That will allow a piece of 1/2-inch pipe to slip right through. Okay, we've reburied the air line. As you can see, it goes right through there. And now we're going to install the actual Pirana unit into the septic tank. Okay, we've unboxed the Pirana unit, and this is it. It also comes with a packet with the rope to tie on, as well as the attachment for the air pump. I'm going to tie the rope to either side of the unit. It does have a hole on each side, and that will allow you to lower the unit into the tank, as well as pick it up and pull it out if you ever needed to. Okay, we have the rope tied on, and we glued a 1/2-inch piece of PVC pipe to the top of the Pirana unit, and we are now going to install it into the septic tank. Okay, the Pirana unit has been installed. We tied off the rope, so you always have access to it, and we glued it with a 90-degree elbow, and it's attached to the air line that we ran. And now we're just going to go install the pump and turn it on. We've now set the air pump, connected it to the air line that was coming up underneath the deck, and the system is now ready to turn on. The trench has been covered, Pirana unit has been installed, and we'll now plug it in. Okay, the Pirana unit has been successfully installed. The air pump has been plugged in, and as you can see, it's bubbling away.